This drawing is available in Telegram on CADDology channel. Let's start. Starting sketch, make a rectangle 60 by 40. With the help of move command, we'll doing a rectangle in center. Make a circle for making half circle and trim extra portions. Make another circle on same center point of 16 diameter and then finish. I'm changing the orientation with the help of move. Pull 12 and select a side face as a sketch plane and make a rectangle of 40 by 20, 40 width and 20 height. And make inside circle 16 diameter. Trim extra portions. And again pull separate body and creating clone. Same piece I am putting on below also. Our drawing is almost finished. We'll combine. After combining, we'll make a edge fillet on various edges. Select separately with the help of control. And the value is 5. Here our drawing is finished. Thanking you for watching the video.